peas. Look at them. Look at them. Where you at? Our first little peas coming in right here. Yeah. Just growing in the bucket. Real simple. Nothing fancy at all. Got another one over here. It hasn't been long at all. I mean, it's been like what? Yeah. So we got that. All right, y'all. We've been getting a lot of rain the last few days here. So, little carrots. You see it ain't many. This first little garden we put together. So, I mean, look, they buried too. I planted them too close together. And then but a handful of them make it. But they ours. They ours. I'm getting ready to move this tomato plant right here. Y'all see the white flies coming up? I don't like using that stuff. But sometimes I gotta use that stuff because they'll kill them. They've been killing. We finally starting to get a few flowers on here. Now these the regular size tomato. I don't even know what the name of them is. But and of course our little beans. Time to pick some more of them. See, that's the thing, man. If you want to, if you try, you can grow you something just to start. And of course, here go our little one corn that made it. We had a whole bunch of corn planted over here, and we want to make it. So he a fighter. Call him Cornelius. Yeah, Cornelius. Corn, sweet corn, growing all that corn, growing all that corn. You. And this, I had to replant some squash and replant my cucumbers because all of this died. White flies took it out. They took out all of it. Get this out of here. White flies took out all of it. And we've been getting a lot of, sorry about my finger, y'all. We've been getting a lot of heavy rain here lately. So, sticks flying everywhere. There was sticks when I got the mulch and manure. But it's only been about maybe 5 days. And I just put the seeds straight in the ground. And this is the progress so far. In about five, maybe 6 days. So, and this is the one that kind of made it. I left it, you see how thick the root is. I just cut it back. You see where I cut it back right there. And it started getting some leaves on it again. So I figured maybe it'll make it. And it looks like it's doing pretty good so far. But yeah, no seedlings. I just straight put them in the dirt. It's my little bucket grow for my lettuce. Lettuce doing pretty good. Past time to harvest that. But literally it's about every day, sometimes twice a day. Coming out here picking, washing it, throw it on a burger, make some salad, share some with the chicken. And over here in my other little bucket, I'm just trying some things, experimenting. Got a little tomato going. Move my garlic over. See that right there? The seed still got seed on it. I'm just seeing what'll take and what won't take. So this kind of like a little experiment bucket right here. And all this soil back here, I mixed it in all the way over to that wall. I mixed that in with manure, turned the soil, threw down a little, what I threw right there? I believe squash, some more squash over here. So when it run up, I can just throw it around that palm tree and vine it like that. let it raise up and run through there, see if it works. I'm just trying, y'all. I'm not an expert. I don't know how it's gonna do, how it's gonna go, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out together. So at the end of the day, I'll know what worked and what won't work, and we'll keep it pushing from there. And right here, y'all, if y'all ever seen any of our other videos, y'all know that we really like lemongrass. So yeah, I keep cutting them back, they keep growing back, and every other morning, don't get me wrong, I like my coffee too, but I also like getting that lemongrass tea. So that's my lemongrass right there.